Philippine Airlines had added up another domestic flight on their lineup at Clark International Airport. The said flight was bound to Cebu City. On January 30, Philippine Airlines had launched a formal ceremony of the Clark Cebu inaugural flight.
Ina-anunsyo po natin itong araw na to ang maiden flight, inaugural flight ng PAL. And today, January 30, ang flight ng Clark to Cebu ng Philippine Airlines.
The ceremony was attended by Philippine Airline personnel together with the Clark International Airport staff headed by the SIAC President, Mr. Alex Cogiran. Traditional cake slicing and ribbon cutting were done during the event. On an interview with Mr. Cogiran, he made mention about the continuous increase of flights, both domestic and international, that will be made available within the year.
Hindi lang AirAsia Philippines ang nakausap natin, nag-signify din ang intention ng AirAsia Berhad na dati nang kasama ng Clark in the past, ayun ang mga nakakausap natin sa on-domestic side. At ongoing naman ang negotiation naman natin sa mga foreign carriers.
He also mentioned the preparation that SIAC is doing in coordination with the Clark Development Corporation to immediately have a plan just in case the flock of passengers in SIAC may cause traffic.
Ang immediate solution dyan, inaayos na pagkakaroon ng road widening. At saka yung medium solution dyan, the construction of road network that would link directly ang Clark sa SCTEX. That nasa drawing board na yan. At ginagawa na yung mga road widening.
The Department of Transportation is scheduled to release an initial of 2.8 billion peso for the construction of the new passenger terminal, which is scheduled to be constructed within 3 years. Mr. Cogiran also said that the Duterte administration laid several projects under the Build, Build, Build program of the government. This includes the OTR Secretary Arthur P. Togada's initiative to develop Clark International Airport as part of efforts to decongest Metro Manila and the development of a new passenger terminal to accommodate 8 million passengers annually. Passengers bound to Cebu were glad about the availability of the Cebu flight at the Clark International Airport because according to them, aside from it will lessen their expenses going to Manila, they will get to avoid the hassle of the heavy traffic in the metro.
So sa amin kasi 'di ba syempre malapit na lang dito yung so yung pagta-travel going to Manila. So by going there if nandito na yung tawag nito may flight na sila so malaking impact po sa amin yun. Advantages jawa nung sa traffic so yung less hours, you know.
Cogiran also mentioned the coming of more investors who want to put up their hub inside the Freeport Zone because of the unstoppable development of Clark International Airport and the Clark Economic Freeport Zone as a whole.
Kasi meron kami mga lupa dyan sa labas ng terminal na by hectares, naka-under contract sa corporation pero pinapasublease ng main na umuupa sa amin. So nakikita mo yung mga from food to beverages plus yung nag-signify mga dalawa-talo na intention sa amin na gustong magtayo ng medium rise na hotel para sa mga pasahero.